welcome back to today's video. It's gonna be so much fun. We have two big PR boxes, but not just any old PR box. These are actually straight from Dollar Tree headquarters. They sent these to me quite a bit ago. I have been meaning to open these for months now, and I don't know why it took me so long to make this video. So I said today we are opening these dang PR boxes. It's just like been like a little surprise. It's been sitting there waiting for me to open, but of course I had to do it with you guys because we are Dollar Tree besties. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I do tons of shop with me's, hauls, affordable beauty. I do tons of Dollar Tree videos, Five Below, so make sure you subscribe. Join our fun little family over here and let's get into these boxes. I need to know what's inside here. Okay, let's start out with this guy. Let's open her up. We have a little note here. It says, enjoy your gift from Dollar Tree. It says, Kim, thank you for being a Dollar Tree shopper. We hope you enjoy your gift and can't wait to see you on social again soon. So sweet. I'm gonna keep this. In the past, I have received a gift card from Dollar Tree, but this is like the first time they actually sent out PR boxes. And I think there are other boxes that were sent out that other people got. So I feel like they send out different boxes. I don't know. But I don't think I got like every single box that they sent out, which is fine. Okay, so, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cool. So obviously it's products that they carry at Dollar Tree. So let me just kind of give you like a little overview of the top of the box. So that's what the box looks like. And it looks like we have Spa-scriptions, cucumber under eye gels. I've actually never tried the Spa-scriptions under eye gels before. I always see these at the store and I have not picked them up. It's always shocking to see a Dollar Tree product that I have not tried. This is the Global Beauty Care Coconut Sugar and Lactic Acid Cleansing Wipes to refine texture. Now, I'm not really a cleansing wipe girl, but I actually like using these for like taking makeup off like underneath my eyes or like taking off swatches. It says they exfoliate and nourish. So these do have like actives in it, like the lactic acid. We also have another set of wipes from Global Beauty Care. This is the Fresh and Fruity Watermelon Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Cleansing Wipes with vitamins A, C, and E to smooth texture. I need all the texture smoothing that I can get. We have more wipes. These are the Nourishing Aloe Vera Cleansing Facial Wipes. These minimize, smooth, and strengthen, and you do get 25 wipes in here. Now I think, yeah, this brand Spa they carry is like another brand of Global Beauty Care. More wipes. Oh my gosh. I guess this is a Global Beauty Care box maybe. This is Spa Fit Carry Glowing Vitamin C Facial Cleansing Wipes with vitamin A, C, and E. These brighten, exfoliate, and renew. Wow, I am fully stocked up on all the wipes now. I like don't need to buy any. That's great. And then we have Global Beauty Care. Oh, this is the Fresh and Fruity line. This has pineapple and glycolic acid. It's an exfoliating facial polish to smooth and minimize fine lines. Pineapple fruit, glycolic acid in it as like the active ingredients. Squalane. First ingredient here is sucrose, which is sugar. So this is like a scrub, exfoliant scrub. Then we have the Global Beauty Care Fresh and Fruity Strawberry and Hyaluronic Acid Glowing Facial Moisturizer. I honestly have not tried this one either, but I have tried some Global Beauty Care moisturizers in the past and they're really good. I really love their Spa-scriptions moisturizer. It comes with a little pump. I use that one every day. They have another one with a pump that I use every day, so I definitely would like to try this one. Let's see the ingredients. Strawberry fruit extract is actually pretty high up on the list. Arginine is actually a great skincare ingredient for anti-aging. Okay, I mean, I think this looks good. This even has retinol in it. And it says strawberry is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. So cool, you guys. I'm feeling so spoiled right now by Dollar Tree. This, oh my gosh, I have never seen this before. This is the Global Beauty Care Fresh and Fruity Kiwi and Kojic Acid renewing facial cleanser to brighten and even the skin tone. This is actually such a cool texture. So good for you. I need to start like eating actual kiwis. It has antioxidants and vitamin E to brighten and renew dull skin. It has kojic acid. Okay, very cool. Mineral oil free, paraben free, alcohol free, not tested on animals. And it says just massage it around your face and then rinse it off, just a cleanser. So I am definitely curious to try this. If you have tried any of these products, please let me know if you like any of them, because I literally have not tried these, which is so crazy. Okay. Ooh, you guys, we have a body lotion in here. This is the Next Gen Sweet Pineapple and Honeydew Melon Hemp Seed Oil Body Lotion with essential oils and natural botanicals. I have seen this, I don't know this brand, I don't know if I've seen this brand before. I love when they have things that are made in like USA, Canada, Europe, Korea. Those are like the countries I like to look for. So the only downside, and I wish the brands didn't do this, is stop putting artificial colors into everything. Like, we don't need the artificial colors, because this does have yellow 5 and 6, and I just don't like the idea of having that. I feel like it absorbs into my skin. But that's not just limited to Dollar Tree. Like, Walmart has tons of scrubs, moisturizers, lotions that all have artificial colors. So it's just like a universal, I'll call it, issue, like, of these artificial colors. It has cannabis sativa hemp seed oil, aloe vera leaf extract, vitamin E, and coconut oil. Last thing in the box. Oh, I love these. I am fully stocked now. We have the sheet masks, and I love this brand, Real Veggie Farm, because I think they're all made in Korea. Yes, so like I told you guys, I always like to look for stuff that's made in Korea because their skincare is like top notch. I love Korean skincare. So let's see the ones they sent. We have the carrot mask. This is hydrating, nourishing. So there's that one, carrot. I actually think I bought one of these to try. This is the camellia mask with camellia extract. Then we have the blueberry mask. This is superfood for your skin. This is the avocado mask. These are carried at all Dollar Tree locations, by the way. So avocado mask. Then we have the calendula mask. I always hear about calendula. I think it's supposed to be very like calming for your skin. So there's that one. And then the beet mask. This one is filled with nutrients. Also just got from Dollar Tree. They have this like thing that you put over sheet masks to like keep the sheet mask in place. So I think I'm going to use that with these. Papaya and citric acid resurfacing enzyme mask. This is exfoliating and brightening, and it has papaya, citric acid, vitamins A, C, and E. And I think this is just a mask that you like put on and then it dries and then you wash it off. Cool. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Dollar Tree, for sending me these goodies. So that was box number 1. What did you guys think? That was so cool. So we will definitely be trying some of these products out. And of course, I can't keep everything for myself because that would just be crazy because there's so much. So I always set aside stuff for giveaways for you guys. So make sure you're following me on my Instagram. It's at Dollar Tree Dolly with an IE at the end, because I typically post my giveaways there. It's just easier to contact a winner. It's really hard to contact winners on YouTube. Box number 2, and this one is heavy. My goodness, feels heavier than the first one. And they also sent, which was so sweet, oh my goodness, a $25 gift card, which is going to come in so handy. I will be using this on my next Dollar Tree trip. At Dollar Tree, you know how quickly and easy it is to just rack up to $25. That takes me like 5 minutes in the store to have that. Look at this stuff in here. No wonder it was so heavy. Okay, so first off, we have all of the lotions from Be Pure. I actually worked with Be Pure, which was amazing, and I did a video with these lotions. I think that was last year. So this is the hyaluronic acid hydrating body lotion with B3 and E, and these are actually dupes for, am I allowed to say that? For Olay. We have the collagen lotion. Okay, and then we have the vitamin C illuminating lotion. I think these also, okay, these don't have the oh no, this one does. This one has yellow 5. This one does not. And this one does not. So the only one that does have the artificial colors is the collagen one. Illuminating lotion sounds really interesting. First ingredient's water, second ingredient is mineral oil, so that's typically going to be what's made up of the product most of the time. You guys, they sent over the line of the Neutrogena dupes. This is the hydrating gel cream that's supposed to be like the Neutrogena water cream. I think this packaging is just a little smaller. I'm trying to look at the ingredients, it's a little hard. This does have sodium, it has hyaluronic acid in it. Have the hydrating hand gel cream with hyaluronic acid in it. This is gonna be so nice to like throw in my purse. I did need another hand lotion. Let's see if what this is like. Feels like. I've never tried the Neutrogena one before. Definitely has that light gel texture. Smells interesting. It's not like my favorite scent. I prefer like a vanilla or something, but it's just kind of like plain. These are the hydrating facial wipes with hyaluronic acid. It says compared to Neutrogena Hydra Boost Cleansing Towelettes. That's really interesting. So I've never tried the Neutrogena ones before, and I've never tried these before, but I'm like fully stocked up on all these wipes. But again, I don't really use wipes, so I'll probably end up like putting those in a giveaway. You guys have tried this cream from Dollar Tree. Okay, and then we have, I love this product. This is the Vaseline dupes. So this is the Body Balm Jelly Stick, and then this is the Cocoa Butter Jelly Stick. I think I have this one, but I don't have the Cocoa Butter one. So like, what's the difference? Let's see. Is it just that this one has cocoa butter? Yeah, so the only difference is that this one has the addition of fragrance and cocoa butter. So what can you do with these? I really like wearing these underneath fragrances, so like on my wrists, and then spraying my fragrance because it makes your fragrance last longer. These have so many purposes. Like you can use them on your shoulders and your chest for extra moisture. Just use them all over for all over moisturizing. So love these. I really hope they come out with the shimmer one. That Vaseline one is my favorite, and they don't have the dupe for it yet, but that one I'm obsessed with. It has like a golden glow. Hopefully if Dollar Tree is watching this, that they'll come out with that. I've been dying to try this, and I've posted about this before on my TikTok. This is the Blemish Control line from Global Beauty Care. This is the pore clearing scrub. This has glycolic acid, sugar, and papaya. And then this is the Blemish and Dark Spot treatment with vitamin C, azelaic acid, and grapefruit. Great ingredients. Blemish Control Clarifying Cleanser with ceramides, retinol, and blue agave. This is the moisturizer, Blemish Control Oil-Free Soothing Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and cucumber. And it says it's gentle for oily and acne-prone skin. So again, if you guys have tried this line, let me know. I know people are always a little bit scared with like Dollar Tree skincare. This is not from this box. I actually picked up this Rose Hip Anti-Aging Serum because I liked the ingredients, and this is also from Global Beauty Care. They're like coming out with so much skincare, it's crazy. And I actually picked them up for giveaways before, but I've never actually tried it myself. Version of the Glow Recipe Watermelon line. So this is the Glow Up Toner, which has watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. I get so many mixed reviews on this on my Instagram page, so like let me know what you guys think here on my channel if you tried it. Then we have the Glow Up Serum with watermelon extract and niacinamide in it. Again, also amazing packaging, glass bottles. Like Be Pure was really doing something with these. Like, how did they make this such nice packaging? It's only $1.25. Like, I am blown away by that, and it looks just like the Glow Recipe. So we have these two, and then the third item in this line is the Glow Up Night Moisturizer, which I think is like the most famous out of all the Glow Recipe watermelon products. So this has, again, watermelon extract and niacinamide, and again, just like with this packaging, my goodness. Let's see. It is, oh my gosh, this is so nice. Wow, it does look like the Glow Recipe. Let's smell it. Ooh, it has like a sour watermelon kind of scent to it. And this package are also from Be Pure. This is more skincare. This is the Olay Dupes Olay Regenerous Micro Sculpting Cream Moisturizer, and this is the night recovery cream. These are fragrance-free, phthalate-free, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. These like Olay products retail for a lot of money, like definitely over $15 at Walmart. So again, so cool. I feel like this is gonna be very like rich and hydrating because all these products are in these bougie glass bottles. Yeah, this one too. Oh my gosh, be pure. Wow. Okay. So that is everything. Oh my gosh, you guys, like this was honestly such a surprise. Like they told me they were gonna send me something, but I didn't know like what it was gonna be. So it's really cool to receive such beautiful PR boxes from Dollar Tree. So cool. Thank you to Dollar Tree for sending these to me. And thank you guys for all your support and watching my videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried anything or if you're gonna go out and look for any of these products at your Dollar Tree. Majority of all these are like core items, so you should be able to find these at your store. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.